Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear air spring designed for the Cadillac XTS Epsilon II, with or without all-wheel drive. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Raise the vehicle and deflate the applicable air spring via the valve block. After deflation, remove the applicable rear wheel. Unclip both sides of the air spring top and pull it downwards. Next, remove the airline from the air spring. You should now be able to remove the old air spring from the vehicle. Now, remove the old air fitting from the airline on the air spring side only. Do this by removing the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. Remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. This completes the removal. Install the new Arnott air spring onto the vehicle. Push the airline into the fitting on the new air spring until it is firmly seated. Secure both clips on top of the air spring, ensuring that the guide pin is in proper position. The final step is to reinstall the airline into the valve block and tighten to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Then reinstall the applicable rear wheel and inflate the air spring following the manufacturer's instructions. Now you are ready to lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air spring of a Cadillac XTS with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.